The Herndon Station Garage is a new addition to the existing Herndon Monroe Park and Ride facility to provide additional commuter parking opportunities. The new Herndon Station Garage has 2,006 spaces on 7 levels, and it has secure bicycle storage at the lower level with accessible parking spaces, and it connects to the existing Herndon Monroe Park and Ride facility with a double-story bridge. So the official groundbreaking marks the beginning of our construction efforts, and it's a great milestone in our schedule of accomplishing the goal the county has for providing this service and this facility for the metro station. It has a great turnout with a lot of county staff from various departments who have been engaged in the project, who've been involved in the developing of the project: Department of Public Works and Environmental Services, Fairfax County Department of Transportation, county leadership, and a number of other county dignitaries to basically mark the beginning of this great effort. So this garage is a positive addition to the community because it provides opportunities for access to Metro and via Metro to other destinations within and outside Fairfax County.